I spy with my little eye something that starts with B.
Bus.
Yes, bus.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we move on to the third part of the pre-writing activity series, I wanted to do this video. Phonic and pre-writing activities have to go hand in hand. Before introducing the letter symbols to your child, start with some sound games for the child to realize that words are made of sounds and can be broken down into individual sounds. Dr. Maria Montessori emphasized a lot on moving from concrete to abstract learning. Letters are an abstract form of the language. What is concrete for the child is the oral language. So we begin from there. You can start the I Spy game, which I'll be explaining in this video, when the child has developed a good vocabulary of everyday objects and can pronounce them pretty clearly. These are games done as pastime and not as regular activities. There are different levels to this. At level 1, you place a familiar object in front of your child and play the I Spy game as follows.
Dog. I spy with my little eye something that starts with T. T.
Tiger.
Yes, tiger. I spy with my little eye something that starts with E.
Elephant.
Yes. I spy with my little eye something that starts with D. D, D.
Duck.
Yes. D, D, duck. I spy with my little eye something that starts with R.
There is almost zero chance of your child getting this one wrong since there is only one object in front of him or her. After practicing this for a few days, the child will find it much easier to identify the first sound of a word. Then you can move on to the next level.
Start.
At level 2, you place 2 objects in front of the child and play the game again. As the child progresses, you can place 3 or more objects. Do a lot of practice with this level before moving on to the next.
Something that starts with D. D, D.
Duck. Duck.
Yes, duck. Where's the duck? I spy with my little eye something that starts with K. K.
Cow.
Yes, where's the cow? Okay.
Blah, blah.
I spy with my little eye something that starts with E. E.
Elephant.
Yes, where's the elephant? Thank you.
At the third level, you ask the child to randomly find any object that starts with a certain sound in a bigger area. The Montessori sandpaper letters are introduced at this stage for introducing the letter symbols to the child. I'll shortly be doing a video on this. For now, let's move on to the next level. At level 4, the child is asked to pick an object with a certain ending sound. Repeat levels 1 to 3, but this time focus on the ending sound. One tip here would be to use objects with the same starting sound to make it easier for the child.
Bus. I spy with my little eye something that ends with L.
Ball.
Yes, ball. Okay. I spy with my little eye something that ends with K.
Book.
Book. Right, Arman?
Yes.
Book.
Book.
Okay. I spy with my little eye something that ends with K.
Book.
Yes, where's the book? Here.
If he gets it wrong and says ball for instance, I would say let's sound ball and see if we can hear the k sound. Ball. Do you hear the k sound? No. Now let's try saying book. Book. Do you hear the k sound this time? Yes. Again, do a lot of practice with this level.
My little eye, something that ends with b.
Cub.
Yes. I spy with my little eye something that ends with r. Yes, tell me. Tell Camila.
Car.
Yes, car.
At level 5, the child begins to identify other sounds in the word. You can say, I spy an object that has got the sound a in it by keeping a bus in front of you. And do this the same way as you did with beginning and ending sounds. After level 5, the child is now ready to be introduced to the Montessori large movable alphabet for forming words. At level 6, the child starts guessing many names with a given sound in the beginning, middle or ending. So these are the sound games that you can play with your child for introducing him or her to the concept of phonics. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.